How to know if someone is blocked you in Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, tap on the search bar and tap on the search bar icon and search for a person that you want to see if they have blocked you on Instagram. So basically what happens is if someone has blocked you on Instagram, you'll not be able to find the username even if they are there and you're certain of that username, but they'll not be appearing over there on the username. Next, what you can do is simply tap and check on the DM section at the top right corner of the screen. So just tap on the DM, and if you had a conversation with that person before, and if they have blocked you now, then you'll not be able to interact with them or see their profile over here. So next, what you can simply do is you can find a mutual person and see if they follow each other and if they can see, and you can just check on that. Next, what you can do is simply tap or see any of the tags or comments that they have done and if you can find them. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.